Hello YouTube, today I'll be replacing the stock Ninja 250 exhaust. Should be pretty easy. We'll have the big bolt here, we'll have the bolts from the cover. Right, I've just taken off the exhaust cover. So as we can see, that little bit there used to be over there. Very simple, you just untighten these two bolts that are on the front. Then you have a screw, so you can just use a normal Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew that. Focus, there we go. And bear in mind that's that one there. That's behind there. So if you see that the cover's not coming off, that's probably why you have to sort of go from underneath and unscrew that, and then just start moving around a lot easier. Right, so that's all the tools you need. So you just need that came part of the stock toolkit that came with the bike, so I just got it out of that thing there. Screwdriver, I used my own because the one in the kit's not very good, and was it Allen head? Course head? Anyway, whatever that is, I used my own as well. I have a little toolkit there, not a very good one, very old one. Okay, so that's step one. I'm going to carry on and be with you shortly. Okay, step two. The exhaust is off. It's very straightforward, just two bolts. You have that bolt there, for that you need the how many is it? Look. Yeah, the 15mm. That little bolt there, which is going to be on the exhaust itself, it's around about there, to hold the exhaust on. For that one you need a 12. Okay, so there's a 12 there. There we go. Okay, you unscrew that one first. Okay, then as you unscrew that one, hold the exhaust up with your hand, otherwise it is pretty heavy and you might bend that pipe. So just hold it up as soon as you take the screw out, sort of slide it off, and yeah, piece of cake. Alright, next step. So you have the pipe there, which I assume will go just here. No, the other way around. Like that. Okay. Then you have this thing that will be holding the pipe together. So first slide that on and put the pipe in. That will hold the pipe together. Then the exhaust just goes on and tightens on with this thing. I assume using the original screw that came with the stock exhaust. Okay, so I'm going to attempt doing that now, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. The exhaust is installed. We step back a bit. There we go. Looks pretty good. Comes out a little bit further than stock. Let me show you what stock fits. Okay, so stock was about there. A little bit more, but it's not nearly as fat, so you know, when you're going through traffic. Okay, I haven't turned it on yet, so let's turn it on together and see first impressions. Okay, turn the key. I like it. Right, the bike is completely cold. So I don't want to rev it up too much, but still give you an idea of the sound levels and what the exhaust sounds like. check it out.